pop-up. Nahinga na ang bakla. Whiskey healthy. So healthy lang po. Pwede siya kalapit. It's good. It's good. Not that easy to take. Sabay ng Singapore. So sad naman. Malaysia. Joy Barong. That we're back in Singapore to watch the Blackpink concert here. And I'm so excited. My show is still tomorrow, so I have a day to spend before I watch the concert tomorrow. Okay, so we're exiting, and this is Terminal 2. We're exiting Terminal 2, and I'm just gonna wait for my car. Ordinary. Kumagsibupak. Here at Terminal 3. Just get up from the Blackpink Skytrain. Kaya nyo yun? This, that, people. There's a pop-up. Balas ng hilo kasi ang ID. So taas isa. So we're going to ride the bus. Ano nga, C727 to Tampines. Tampines ba sis? Nahinga na ang bakla. Tani sis. Di namin nakatsang train. Alang card gali. Naghihintay ang mga bakla. On the way to Sentosa. We're going to do the Mario Kart. No. Vroom vroom vroom. Vroom vroom CZ. Right? So see you there na lang. See you there na lang. Yung pinaka station yung Bukit pa na. Tapos yeah, so see you there. Looking for the Mario Kart here in where is this? this is Vivo's. It's the Sentosa Art. Here at my back is the Madame Tussauds. Singapore, yeah, the Madame Tussauds Singapore. Walking to the Mario Kart medyo may alam siya, guys. Alam niyo na. Baliktad. Ako? Ano na yun? Mine fits perfectly. Ano niyo? May pa-options. Okay na, Miss Kiki. Let's go! Adventure! Medyo kiauti lang tong pero go na laban na to. Let's go, everyone! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! So we just scanned our tickets and we're going to our first ride. Exit mo na, sis! There's so many people lining up. Pak, ganun! Pak, ganun. Diyos ko po, Diyos ko po! Tapos, smile for the camera.
Hello!
At the peak. Meron naman siyang mga net. Ewan ko ba't nilagyan nila ng mga net yan, te. Pinuhulog na ba dito? Buti. Tingnan yung mga net.
Strong mo na yan. Try, babe.
Hindi ka na the end of the line.
Yeah.
Uy, putang ina mo, te. Diyos ko po. Bakit may pagano? Diyos ko po, may pagano naman. Kami sa Skyland. Natapos na kami sa Skyland Lodge sa Kiauti. Kiauti siya pero okay, pwede na. And now we're heading to Silosa Beach. Ang super ng experience dun sa Skyland Lodge. Ang ganda as in. I recommend this. You recommend this?
Yes.
You recommend yung Mario Kart? Yung Sky. Wow, Diyos ko parang kiauti na din ah. Kiauti! It's good to see me, isn't it? Concert day, so magta-transfer lang kami sa hotel near the stadium, and then we're going to Borges to buy some pencil. Bilan ako ni Jessamine Clavel ng ng chocolate and everything. Narinig niyo yun ha. Bibilan niya ako ng chocolate. So we're just waiting for the Grab, and this is our second date. Casual lang kasi init dito eh. Ayun na, 2 minutes. Sir Crab.
Videohan ko siya.
Suzy,
Hello guys! Where are we?
where are we?
We're in
Haji?
Haji. Haji na ba to?
Hindi pa.
So, hindi siya ganun kalagkit. Unlike sa ano, hindi sa malagkit. Sis, dito ka sa Singapore, ano ba ang dapat kainan? Jollibee. Try natin ang Jollibee here sa Singapore. Pasalubong time.
Ordinary. Narinig namin.
Which is his special promotion. May ano pa? May ano pa sis? And 40 minutes na kami nakapila dito sa kaya pa ba? Kaya yan, masarap daw kasi siya sa kaya titikman. Already checked in a new hotel and we're going to try Mr. Coco Nut.
Coconut.
Coconut. It's good. It's good. Sarap niya sis. We waited for 1 hour for this.
Yes. Ano niya?
To light up the mood, we are playing background. This is the first hotel I ever stayed na may YouTube. O diba? For a 2-star hotel in Singapore. Makaka-copyright tayo. For the concert. Not that easy to tame.